Hey guys, Edison with Deedy Solutions here. With me I have the Ubiquiti G3 Flex. For size references, this is going to be smaller than the typical G3 and the Dome, and it's going to be the most affordable. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. Guys, here we have the Unified Camera G3 Flex. Now this is a day and night security camera that records a crisp 1080p at 25 frames per second with IR capability. Now let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. So as you can see, unboxing the G3 Flex, you have a very nice miniature camera here. Now, the one thing I like about this too is, according to the spec sheet, the G3 Flex will continue to work down to a bone-chilling minus 20 degrees Celsius or minus 4 degrees Fahrenheit. And it can work all the way up to a 50 degrees Celsius or 123 degrees Fahrenheit. Now the viewing angle or surveillance coverage of the G3 Flex camera can be changed at any time. So for example, you can tilt the lens up or down for vertical adjustment as seen here, just with the slight move of your finger, or you can turn the base left or right, as you can see here, to get more of a horizontal adjustment. So the G3 Flex has a 2.7-inch 2 megapixel HDR sensor. You have an EFL 4mm f2.0 lens, as well as an H.264 video compression. Now unboxing, getting further into the packaging of this product here. So you can see they give you the full pamphlet in terms of getting to know the product better. Your mounting guides as well, which I'll get into shortly because they do offer quite the selection in terms of mounts. And speaking of which, you do have several mounting options. So you have the base mount. You could use the base mount by itself to install the G3 Flex camera on a desktop or tabletop. Out of the box, this mount comes pre-installed on the camera, which is this one right over here. As you can see, it's easily, you could just stand it right up there, and it's very small as well, so it's harder to detect, but on top of that, it doesn't take up a lot of space. Now, use the base mount with 2 screws to install the G3 Flex camera on the wall if you want to do so vertically. So you have your different mounting options here, as you can see. So what you do have with it is you have a pole mount, and you also have a mount in case you want to put it on the wall as well. So they do give you various options in terms of mounting this camera to make it as convenient as possible. Now, in terms of the overall specifications and sizing, as you can see, this is a very small camera. It can fit almost anywhere, it can go almost anywhere, and it's very convenient and very ideal for either at home or at office security, so that way you can get the max efficiency and productivity out of it. Now, it does shoot at 1080p. I know nowadays with the 4K and everything like that, most people are looking for those high resolution cameras, but what I can say is for the price point, this is a very hard product to beat, especially being from the Ubiquiti lineup. With the Ubiquiti lineup, you have a lot of other things that come with it and a lot of other benefits and amenities. So nonetheless, this will definitely complement any of your current Ubiquiti setup or any current Ubiquiti products that you may possess in your office or home. And on top of that, setting it up is rather easy. So to get set up with the G3 Flex, you would just need to connect the G3 Flex to power and data using the PoE. And then make sure that your smartphone and camera are on the same network. Then download the Unified Protect mobile app. Now, once you download the app, go ahead and launch the app, and a pop-up will ask you to adopt the device. It'll automatically pick up on this device, so you don't have to do too much work from there. If you currently do have Unified Protect, you'll notice that this device will automatically come up as soon as you open up your app, which is easier for you to go ahead and set it up. Then you just tap Add, name your device, and then tap Next, and then you'll then be taken to the home screen, which will list your newly adopted device, this over here, the Ubiquiti G3 Flex. Guys, this is a wonderful product, very convenient in terms of sizing, very budget friendly as well if you are watching out for your costs and budget and things of that nature, whether it's at home or in the business. Again, my name is Edison from Deedy Solutions. Stay tuned for our next videos. We have a whole bunch of unboxings for you guys, and I hope that this was able to help a lot of you out if you have been planning on purchasing the G3 Flex.